Good evening, everybody. Today we started off in the single digits, but rebounded quite nicely here in Des Moines to a high temperature of 30 degrees, and it's still warming up as we speak right now. But if you want a little warmer temperatures, just head on to Missouri. They got up to the 50s and even 60 degrees over towards Missouri, and even in places in Nebraska reached those temperatures as well. Welcome back, everyone. Well, today we had quite a contrast in precipitation across the state. As you can see, as it moved through the state, it came in as snow, sleet, ice, and we even saw thunder sleet here in the metro area, specifically here outside of the studio. Coming Saturday is the North Liberty Blues and Barbecue. Temperatures will be hovering in the 80s, southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Note, there is a slight rain chance, but this will not wash out the event. Come out and enjoy that mouth-watering barbecue, live music, and family fun. All this starts at 9 o'clock Saturday morning. Midwest, we do have blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings, and then as we move into the Iowa, we do have a winter weather advisory for tomorrow until 6 o'clock for most of the state. And right now we have an ice storm warning towards southeastern Iowa until noon tomorrow. Welcome back, everybody. Well, as we look ahead, we are in store for several snow chances across the state. However, most of those will be missing us here in the metro, but we will not be missing this next Arctic blast we have in store for you. As we look outside, we're under mostly cloudy skies across Des Moines right now. Temperatures are around 9 degrees, northwest winds at 10 miles per hour, and the wind chill is at -5. Those road conditions are very seasonal outside, with the exception of northwestern Iowa, which are still experiencing partly covered road conditions. Temperatures across the state, we're at 7 degrees in Ames, 4 degrees over in Fort Dodge. Here in Des Moines, like I said, we're at 9 degrees right now. Midwest cloud and radar. We do have some isolated clouds across the state right now, but clouds will be moving in from Nebraska overnight, possibly bringing some snow showers tomorrow morning. As we expand out across the country, our next system that we want to be concerned about is over in the northwest right now, and it'll be moving its way over the plains into Iowa by Friday morning. Future Tracker gives us a good idea when that next system will be moving in. First, as we start off tonight and tomorrow morning, we have clouds building in. Some possible snow showers move in tomorrow morning, but nothing to be concerned about. Those clouds move out by tomorrow evening. Temperatures around 20 degrees for the most part. Before Friday morning, we do have our next good chance of snow over in northwestern Iowa and here in the metro. It looks like it'll be missing us to the north, however, and those winds will be picking up as we move on through the day on Friday with cloudy skies and possibly some snow Friday. Across the Midwest, as we look out ahead through Sunday night, we could see another 2 inches of snow by the time it's all said and done this weekend here in Des Moines. If you want more snow, just head on down to Missouri. They could be seeing another 5 to 7 inches. But if that system moves a little more to the north, we could be in store for some more heavy snow here in Des Moines. Tonight, 5 degrees for expected low temperature. Those increasing clouds with a cold and dry night. Tomorrow, 21 degrees for a high temperature. Some snow showers in the morning. Those will be mainly north of us, however. And looking at our 10-day tracker, the first 5 days shows that we just have a lot of snow chances before we just get darn right cold once again. Sunday into Monday with highs only in the single digits before we rebound at the end of next week with highs in the 20s and 30s. With a couple chances of snow, but nothing to worry about right now. As we talk about this Friday system, we have a low pressure system situated on the Nebraska-Iowa border as we wake up on Friday. As we advance through time on Friday, that low pressure system moves to the northwest of Des Moines, bringing a very good chance of some storms into Friday evening. And Friday evening and Saturday morning, it looks like it's just going to be wet outside. As we head on through Saturday, just more rain, and behind this, unfortunately, we're talking about the middle of April, and we're still seeing snow move back into at least half the state into the Sunday morning. Well, welcome back, everyone. This week is Severe Weather Awareness Week, and we here in Iowa average about 48 tornadoes a year. Last year alone, we had 55 here in the state. About 87% of our tornadoes we see here in the state are either an EF0 or EF1, and only 1/10% of the tornadoes we see here in Iowa are rated as an EF5. And always, if we do have a threat of a tornado, or if there's a tornado warning out, I should say, you always need to find the lowest floor of your home and be sure you're away from any windows or any doors. We do have our first severe threat of the year moving in on Friday. Friday, we have a nice chance of tornadoes, hail, and wind, and the SPC has issued a marginal risk for severe weather across the most of the state for Friday night into Saturday morning, mainly between 3 and 9 o'clock Friday night. However, it could happen later. We'll just have to keep you tuned in as you tune in to Local 5 tomorrow. We're looking at 18 degrees for expected low temperature. That light mix and drizzle that's happening right now will be transitioning to snow by early morning. And tomorrow, ironically, our high temperature is 18 degrees. Expect about 2 to 4 inches of snow. And once the snow is over, the big concern is those northwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour, which will blow that snow around for tomorrow.
Did a good job, though. The weekend has the best weather, and then Monday just all goes to heck.
Well, it's kind of nice to have the nice weather as we're heading into the March. You know, you got to feel like spring outside sometime.
Yeah.
But I don't know. You got to just. You live in Iowa, you just got to deal with it, I guess. Right.